Good morning, everyone. I am Aditya Tiwari. Before I begin to start, I would like to thank my mentor, Mr. Kuvar Singh Mehra, for giving me this wonderful opportunity to express my views. Today, we are here to discuss about the topic Know Your Principal. So, Utkarsh, I have a question. What is the name of your principal?
Our principal's name is Mr. Krishnavardhan Joshi sir. He is very best in English and he speaks very well and tells us the English spoken and he is kind-hearted person.
So, Kajal, I have a question. What are the main qualities of our principal, sir?
The main qualities of our principal sir, he is very educative person and he always motivated us to speak in English, and he also speak English in our class, and extra qualities are in his.
So, Gautam, what is your experience about being teaching by our principal, sir, the subject English spoken?
Our principal sir always organize the many kind of activities, and he motivate us to participate in this activity, and he always speaking English before before we teach us English.
So, Manisha, are you liking the concept of a principal sir being teaching us English subject?
Our principal sir is good in nature. He speaks English very fluently. He is a good person.
Principal sir is new in this school, but I think he has very much of experience.
Our principal sir makes many kinds of activities which we have fun and they teaches us while fun.
Our principal sir wants that all the students used to speak English and better in English spoken.
He is from Pithoragarh to teach English school.
Our principal sir is a very active person. He always comes in class and they creates many activities. Like before the day tomorrow, he was creating an activity about a notice that it was like that we are organizing a trip for. So he is doing this activity.
In our class, our principal sir organized the activity, like the organized the tour from the school, and they organized the speech competition also.
Our principal sir is in the habit of being teaching to higher classes like 11th, 12th, 10th.
And our principal sir also motivate us to speak English, and he is a very supportive person.
He is always support all the students, and he always praise the students to know everything like Ramayana, Mahabharata, and extra things like new things. And he is a very motivative person, and he always supported us to know everything.
And his nature is also very good and kind-hearted. I love in their nature and their teaching. He teaches us with many activities with fun. Last day we have do activity of that. We are organizing an annual function. We have got much fun on that activity. Now, what's your opinion, brother?
He kept an eyes to every students.
Yes, it's all good thing.
He is a good person. Teaches us English in the 6th grade. I love them because he teaches English very fluently and support all the students of the class.
Yeah, I am also love with them because he always supported me in everything, and he is always show me the way how I can make my personality very good.
His behavior is very serious, but also the friendly.
I thank him for paying much attention towards our studies and our English spoken. So thank you, sir, if you are watching our video.
He is a very kind-hearted person. He is managing more facilities in school like sport facilities and much more facilities. School towards us, and at last we all say that
Thank you.
thank you.
Thank you, sir.